farmers from Tamil Nadu have been here at Jantar Mantar finding new and unique and novel ways of protesting and demanding a farm loan waiver and drought relief. Ayakanan, this is your latest strategy, it seems. Why are you doing all this? Is this the only way to attract attention? One day you are parading nude in front of the PMO. Today you are staging this masked Modi beating you up. Why are you doing all this?
Sir, for the past 36 days, we are here to demand the Modi ji. Please come and see us. We are helpless. We have the heavy drought in Tamil Nadu. More than 1 lakh acres crop are withered without water. You please help us. But Modi don't want to see us.
So you are staging all these dramatic events?
Yes, they are beating us with the hurdles.
No, my point is, why are you not doing this in Chennai? You go to Chennai and do this. The state government is there. They have to give you loan waiver.
The Cost and Price Commission is only in Delhi. The nationalist banks are under the control of the central government and the finance minister Arun Jaitley ji.
No, but why can't you go and complain to Palanisamy or to Paneerselvam?
Already we given so many petitions. We agitated that. They arrested, remanded us there in Tamil Nadu also 6 times for regarding this. Then only we came here.
Look at the camera and tell me, today in Chennai, over Jayalalitha's legacy, Palanisamy, Paneerselvam, Sashikala, Dinakaran are fighting with each other. What happens to you and the farmer? What do you want to tell them?
Sir, we are not bothered about their fighting. We are only for the all India farmers. The government is not giving the profitable price to the farmer. When the Prime Minister, before the election, Modi ji announced that I will be the Prime Minister of India. I will give the 2-time profitable price to the farmers.
But in UP, there is a loan waiver in UP.
Sir, only UP is not all over India. All over India, all farmers suffering. There is no profitable price. They must give the profitable price.
But there are many economists who are saying loan waiver is not good economics. It may be good politics but not good economics. You will then get used to every time defaulting on your loan.
In 1970, per ton sugar cane is 90 rupees. The teacher salary is also 90. They have raised the teacher salary now 36,000 per month. Our sugar cane 1 ton is only 2,325 times. Their sugar is 400 times increase. What is the pathetic? They must give the profitable price. Then we don't want the right of loan. We are not giving.
You want a remunerative price.
A remunerative price.
Tell me how many of these people that have come, first there were 174, now there are 110. Are you losing patience? How many days you will stay here?
We are diarrhea and we are heavy.
You ask them, are they ready to die here? Ask them.
Ready.